Welcome to the How to Stitch Your Dragon series of cross-stitch tutorials. My name is Claire and I run my own design business called Climbing Goat Designs. In this series you'll learn everything you need to know to cross-stitch this dragon. You can download the pattern completely free at my website www.climbinggoat.co.uk and then stitch along with the tutorials. You'll learn how to do cross-stitch, backstitch, fractional cross stitch, fractional back stitch, French knots, pin stitches, and how to mount your piece in the hoop. So then you'll know the vast majority of what you need to know to cross stitch almost any pattern. Please do come and join my Facebook group as well. We'd absolutely love to see you there and watch your progress and answer any questions. I hope you enjoy the series.